Tired of digital clutter? Let's transform your Notion workspace into an organized haven by mastering the art of creating tables. First, open up your Notion page where you want to create your table. Simply type a / to bring up the command menu. Now, start typing the word table. You'll see various table options appear. Select table inline for a table directly within your page content, or table full page if you want the table to take up the entire page. For this tutorial, we will select table inline. Great! A basic table structure now appears. You can easily customize the column headers by clicking on them and typing in your desired titles. For example, let's change the first column header to task, the second to status, and the third to due date. Adding data is just as simple. Click inside any cell and start typing. You can use different property types to enhance your table. Click on the header of the status column, then click on property type and select. Now you can add different status for different tasks, e.g. in progress, completed, to do. To add more rows, just hover over the bottom of the table and click the + button that appears. Similarly, to add columns, hover over the side of the table and click the + button that appears there. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a table in Notion. Experiment with different property types and layouts to tailor your table to your specific needs. Now go forth and conquer your digital chaos.